Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in about 10 minutes. So I will pause your recording software for now, and I'll be back as soon as I find a potential opportunity. Have an order at 53 here for a call option. I'm watching this number down here. I want to see that drop down to 53 and then go slightly below, which would allow me to buy. And if I'm able to buy, that white order turns green. Well, went down there but did not fill me. So I'll have to try now at 48. All right, I will pause. I'll keep a close eye on it, and we'll see if this thing wants to... bummer. I was on best bid too. Just didn't get filled. All right, I will pause. Have an order at 50 and out for $260 on that one. I'm not sure if I even captured the entry point on video because that happened so fast. I know I captured the exit. So again, just to explain my screen, for sure, I know that this showed up white over here for just a brief moment before going green. But you can see the times, 9:40:10 and then 9:40:13. So 3 seconds in the trade and $260. So 260 in 3 seconds. I like that quite a bit, but I got to stop and throw out another order here at 54. Just double checking. Seems far away, but if this thing wants to come down some more, then I would certainly be interested in it. So we'll see if it can move down there. But yeah, I'm not going to complain about $260 in literally 3 seconds. It's 9:41, so 11 minutes. So even if I just called it a day right now, I mean, I'm not sure of many places in the world where you can make $260 in 11 minutes, let alone a trade. So that's just obviously just me sitting here looking, waiting for trades. But then a trade itself lasting 3 seconds and $260, pretty crazy. Again, I do apologize if I missed the entry point. And now it's a tough line I have to walk because I know sometimes these videos get a little annoying because I'm, okay, let's see if I get filled. Okay, I don't. Let me pause. Okay, let's see if I get filled. Okay, I don't. Let me pause. Okay, let me see if I get filled. Okay, no, I don't. I pause. So, and the reason I do that is because I'm trying to avoid those quick snap movements where it comes down and fills me and then, you know, I'm able to, okay, here we go. So again, I want 54, so you know what number to watch. This one over here. I'd love to see it just snap down there so you can see how it's possible for me to miss these entry points at times. All right, at this point, I'm going to drop down to 51. Let's see if we can get it to come down just a bit more. This is a very realistic buy point right now, but I'm just being a little extra greedy because, you know, at worst case, I don't get filled and I'm still up $260. So, all right, I will pause and we'll see if this thing can come down a little bit more. All right, well, I'm going to go ahead and just call it good. It's 9:58, 30 minutes. I feel like moving on with my day, and that's why I do day trading. It's one side hustle, I call it, because it's one of many streams of income, and I do this not because I want the Lamborghini. I realize making $260 is not going to buy me a Lamborghini, but what it is going to buy me is freedom of schedule, freedom of time, and for where I am at in life, father of 6 kids, I want to be able to spend time with them. I want to be able to spend time doing whatever I want. So if that's go work on my real estate investing or the teaching business at claytrader.com, which I'll turn that into a quick plug. Check out claytrader.com for a lot of free stuff. I offer training programs, private community, a lot of good stuff there. So check it out. But ultimately, when you have other streams of income, then you can have a whole lot more control over your schedule. So yes, I realize that looking around on social media, 260 is a drop in the bucket, but within the context of other streams of income you know what, it's worth my time. Now, maybe for you, you're like, no, Clay, 30 minutes, $260, not really worth my time. I mean, good for you. What do you do for a living where you would say that's not worth your time? But for me, it is. Now, granted, it is more than $30 or $260 because, again, I have other streams of income, but this one alone is why I'm more than pleased with today, and just going to move on with my day. So one trade, one quick trade, 3 seconds, $260 with commissions. So I'm probably at like 257. I will take it. And if you enjoy these live trade videos, hit that like button. Again, if you want to learn more about, I don't even think I talked about any of this, but if you do want to learn about options, just comment down below option guide, because that's what I was doing here, options trading. And options is not as nearly as complicated as what people make it out to be, so don't be intimidated. I know when I was just getting started, I'd see the word options and run the other direction. People can make them that complicated, but they don't need to be made that way. And I approach them in more of a simple way. So if that's how you like to approach things, then I'm confident that guide will help you out. So just comment below option guide, and I will link you to that free class, and you can learn more about options. And then as far as just, hey, Clay, how did you figure out that entry point? What exactly are you doing with these charts that I'm looking at? I do offer a lot of content about that, including a free webinar, which I'm going to talk about right now. So if you're interested in getting signed up for that, I will explain right now in a new video of how you can get signed up. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.